In this tutorial, I will show you another way to create an online flipbook easily in a Canva. I already added an ebook just from the template, so do not expect any fancy thing. Just 8 pages of templates. So going to the share, scrolling down, see all, and here even scrolling down until we find the designs and click on the Haizen flipbooks. Here we can choose which pages that use. I use all. And here we can choose between magazine, slideshow, one page, or cards. I keep in magazine and click on publish now. So it's created. We said your content has been published. So we can check make a copy or check it out. I click on the check it out. And the system dropped me to the Haizen web page. And here we need to do a registration. I will do it quickly. So I'm already inside the Haizen with my free account. So here we have a preview. As you can see, it's really nice. List view. Here we have the flipbooks. So we can even edit if you want. Actually, this is not really recommended because way better to do the whole preparation in a Canva and just sending to here the full version, the final version. But we can add also password protection. We can here also can interaction, links, image, video. So we can create even more, which is a pretty cool feature. And the share is one of the most important. We can get a link. I will add this link to the description. We can find it. We can send via email. Add also other additional things. We can embed, so we can have the code for it. We can directly share in social media. We can download it. And we can get a QR code, which is also pretty important stuff. So that's really good stuff, what I really like. And the one other thing, if I find it, and this is my account. No, this is just an account, sorry. I would like to find the pricing. The pricing is here. Okay. So I'm in the basic, the free version, of course. We can create 5 different flipbooks for free. No ads. The only thing we have the watermark, which is if you can remove the watermark with this small monthly fee. But if you go to the standard, as you can see, you already have unlimited flipbooks, unlimited updates, unlimited pages. So that's a pretty cool thing for a low amount of money, increasing the storage from 1 gigabyte to 10 gigabytes. And we can connect 3 different accounts. So that's also a amazing tool. As you can see here, we can already download. In the free version, we cannot download, but here we can download also the flipbook what we created. So that's really nice stuff what we can use. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section. First of all, feel the algorithm, our greatest friend. And if, of course, if you have any question about Canva or just struggling in a Canva, let me know in the comment section. I will answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of the video where you can find the links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages. Plus, you can find a link for my Buy Me a Coffee link, where you can support me even with the smallest amount. Everything is highly appreciated. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.